Hey everyone, another great feature about Google Classroom is the ability to reuse posts. It's very convenient. You can reuse posts within your class or within any of the classes that you teach in, even your archived classes. So it's a huge benefit, big time saver. So sometimes you've done something before and you want to just reuse that again, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm in my computer science class right now, and I have just posted something here that gives a new way for my class to access the Meet link. So that was a change, and I have just updated it. And I kind of want to get the same information out to all of my classes, but I didn't want to post to multiple classes at once because the information is not going to be identical for all the classes. So there's going to be slight nuanced differences. So I'm going to show you how I can reuse this post, and it's going to be a lot quicker for me. So I'm going to click on the side here, and you could go right to your classes from up here, or you can look on your side and pick the class that you want to go into. And I'm going to go into the classwork section because I like to have everything organized. I'm going to hit the create button and I'm going to click the reuse post. Now, in this time of online learning, there is a little bit of lag sometimes. So if there's a little bit of lag, not to worry, it will come up. You can always get out and refresh. I'm going to hit pause so you guys don't have to watch the whole time. And it just depends on if there's a lot of people in Google right now. It takes longer to load. So I can pick the class, and you can see that I have my current classes, and if I go down you can see that there's archived classes here. I was co-teaching some of the classes, so you can see there's all sorts of classes, and this goes back, it goes to get all of my classes back from 2014, so I've had Google Classroom for a really long time. So it's really great. If I had a great lesson way back then I could certainly do that. So I am going to go, so I have to make sure that I find my computer science class, which this is the one where I had the post, and then it's going to bring all of the posts that I've done for this class. So you can see, I can scroll down to see all of my posts that I've done, and it's the most recent one is on the top, so that's nice, accessing our meets, and I'm going to click, so I clicked on the one I wanted to reuse, and then I'm going to click on the reuse. And then it's doing new copies of all the attachments too, so I don't even have to do those. So it's so convenient. It makes it super user-friendly. So this right here is an exact replica of the post, but obviously the information, as I said before, isn't exactly what I want for this class. So I'm going to be going in and making some changes, and I'm going to put the class-specific information in and remove the stuff that doesn't make sense for this class. Now, obviously, it would be very boring for you to watch me edit the post, so I am going to pause the video, make the edits offline, and then start recording again so you can see exactly what I do. So I have just made my updates, and so for this particular class, there's two identical classes, and the people can choose which one they're going to attend. And the idea is the first half hour that we're going to be doing collaboration, and we're reviewing stuff and sharing what we've done, and then the second half, if people still have questions, then they can stay on and they can ask questions and participate, but if people are set, then they can get off the call. And they can pick between these dates, and they only need to attend one session. So those are the changes that I made. I didn't have to do anything else. And so now I can just hit post, and it's going to go to all the students in this class. And primarily, the post was already done, and I just needed to make edits. So you can see what a huge time saver that's going to be, and why I might want to use that over making a post to all of my classes at once. Because the information changed a little bit, I didn't want to make the identical post. So that's the reason for it. Also, the benefit is I can go back to old classes, to some of my archived classes, and anything that I'm a co-teacher in. So it's really helpful and useful, and hopefully you'll try out this tool because I think that you'll really like it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know.